Planning the best investment plans for your child's education. When you're about to welcome your child, you begin dreaming about their future. As parents, you want to give them the best of everything there is to offer. Education is the best present you can give your child. Investing in your child's education reaps unparalleled returns which last a lifetime. If you are a newbie parent who hasn't started planning your child's education, don't worry. All is well. The time to look for investment plans for your child's education is now. Tips to consider before investing. Financial planning for your child's future is not a joke. It requires good research and financial consultation to find an investment plan that is reliable. We have a few tips that you can consider before choosing the best investment for your child's education. Advanced planning. You should commence searching for investment plans for a child's education well in advance. This has to be done following thorough research, financial guidance, and comparing plans. The amount of investment. This is one of the most crucial investment factors while planning your child's education. The education fee structure of today is set to double in the next 10 years. You can refer to the current education fees as the basis of calculation and determine your investment amount accordingly. Keeping in mind about the education inflation that will occur in future. Term of maturity. Selection of your child's education investment should be such that it gets you the returns at least a year before its need arises. This will help you stay prepared ahead of time, avoiding any last-minute arrangements. Type of investment. When you begin searching for investment plans for child's education, you will come across various investment options. Your choice for investment should ideally depend on one that provides maximum returns with least amount of risk. The return on investment (ROI) should be high because you will be investing for a long-term period. Education inflation is real. In a survey conducted by National Sample Survey Office (NSSO) 2014, it was found that within a span of 2008 to 2014, the average education expenditure for private schools in India increased by 175%. Unfortunately, controlling inflation is not in our hands. 3 simple steps to sail through education inflation are: plan, invest, relax. Now that you know about the prerequisites for planning your child's education, it's time to look for the best investment plans for a child's education that are most suitable for your needs. 4 common investment avenues selected by most parents. ULIPs. It is an integrated plan that provides parents with investment opportunities and insurance too. This is why it is the most opted investment plan for a child's education, as it gives your little one the savings and protection he or she needs. Mutual funds. Saving your money on a monthly SIP basis can be a great way to invest for your child's education. However, the charges to manage your funds are higher when compared to ULIPs. PPF, Public Provident Fund, is a promising investment option if you are looking for long-term investments. It is risk-free investment which can be opened under the name of your child, provided that you operate education loans. This is a common investment plan opted by parents to support their children to pursue higher studies. It comes as a last resort option, as the minimum eligibility criteria to avail this loan is 18 years. However, it is an investment that provides reliable returns. Parents of the 21st century like you are among those who realize the importance of saving and investing in your little one's education. It is through financial planning for a child's future that we as a nation will collectively achieve the goal of an educated and skilled India. According to a report published by the World Economic Forum in 2017, India spends the least on children's education with an average of less than $20,000. Hong Kong was the top country where parents spent more than $130,000 on their child's education. Nelson Mandela once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." As a parent, you have the opportunity to give this powerful tool of education to your beloved child by planning your child's education. Choose your investment plans wisely and let its returns ripple through a lifetime. Happy investing.